Hello kids, today I'm show for you many coloring toy animal. Wow, this is an elephant. Wow. This is an elephant. Wow. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is goat. Wow, this is a goat. This is goat. Wow. This is a blue color. This is and white color. Nice. Wow, this is ant. Oh, 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 this is ant. Wow. Duck. This is duck. Nice duck. Wow.